Awesome 14-ounce water bottle for kids, insulated. It keeps stuff hot for about 12 hours, keeps stuff cool for 24 hours. Leak proof. Comes with these cleaning sponges that you could clean them. It's dinosaur, and we have unicorn for boys and girls. I have two kids here, so they need this. You could put your juice, you could put soda, water, and just lock it. The kids easy. My son easily using it. It's easy to drink. Takes it to soccer. It's really nice. You got a nice little handle. What I love about it is that it's a good quality. Stainless steel, rubber in the top coated. Really nice. You drop this, nothing wrong with this. Trust me. It's instead of buying those cheap, cheesy one, the kids will drop it a couple times and the top will broke or here will broke or it leaks and stuff like that in the book bag or in the school bus. This not. This is really good stuff. Check in the description box for price and details and get your hand on something that's worth it. It's cheap. It's got good reviews, and I'm telling you my honest review. As a parent, I love it and I recommend this, and my kids going to be using this. And with two cleaning stuff, how can you go wrong? Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos on Product Zone. Thank you so much. Really good, outstanding stuff right here. Good quality.